Before and after some pictures. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Create and edit. In this video, I will show you how to edit blogger filter using Lightroom Mobile. Let's begin. First, go to Light. Contrast +20. Highlights -30. Shadows +30. Whites +30. Black -20. Go to Curve. Follow the steps. Done. Now go to Color. 10+6. Vibrance +50. Saturation -20. Go to Color Max. Red saturation -20. Luminance -35. Orange hue -6. Saturation -40. Luminance -30. Yellow hue -20. Saturation -60. Luminance -20. Green hue -50. Saturation -50. Aqua hue -40. Saturation -70. Last blue. Saturation -50. Luminance -45. Done. Now go to Effect. Clarity -10. Dehez +10. Now go to Split Tone. Shadow hue 30 and saturation 10. Finish. Now copy settings and paste in other pictures. Thank you for watching.